It's never good to come back from a drive and see this after you park your car. So welcome back to Kevin's European Garage. And today was a beautiful day. I'm taking my car out for a ride. And then I come back and, well, you saw what I found all over the garage floor here. So what I'm thinking has happened is my overflow tank has let go. I mean, it is most likely the original one. I have a feeling it is. And there was coolant dripping down on the frame rail right above the tailpipe. It's kind of coming down, landing around the tailpipe. You can see, kind of see some of the residue right over there. Still drips, still a couple drips, and usually that means that the expansion tank has let go, and these things are known to let go. So I looked over all my paperwork from the previous owners, and not one of them has changed out that coolant expansion tank. So it's definitely the original one. I'm definitely going to change it. Okay, so now the real question is once I change that, what else should I change? Because I'm going to be dropping down the engine a little bit to get that thing out. So it's not just a quick couple of minutes. So what I do have that I've been sitting on the side over here is I got some spark plugs. And some of my tubes, the spark plug tubes, are kind of leaking a little bit on one side. Even though, according to some paperwork I have, they were changed not that long ago, they're still leaking. So I'm going to have the ones to replace all on the passenger side. Those got to get replaced. I got new spark plugs, so I'm going to put those in. I was also thinking about doing the air oil separator at the same time because I got to lower the engine down and I got to take that expansion tank out. And back in that corner is where it's located. So it looks like that's going to give me a little extra room. So while I'm in there, I might as well do that at the same time. So it looks like I'm going to get the expansion tank. I'm going to get the air oil separator. I'm going to put in my spark plugs, change 3 tubes. I don't know what else I'm going to get at the same time. Oh, might as well. I got a set of brake lines too that I might as well put those in the car since the car is going to be laid up for a little while. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. So I got my 3 spark plugs tubes to replace the ones that are bad on the passenger side. Also on my passenger side, the solenoid for the variable valve timing, that thing is leaking a little bit around there. So I picked up one of these seals. I picked up a while ago, I just haven't had a chance to change it. And now, since I'm taking the whole thing apart, I might as well. I'm going to use the Denso Iridium spark plugs because I've had good luck with those in the past, more so than the Bosch ones, and I'm familiar with them. So I'm just going to use them and see how it goes. And then, like I said, I got some brake lines too while I'm at it with some new multiple fluid. And I actually now finally get a chance to check out my, to give my power bleeder a chance and see how good that works. And maybe while I'm in there, maybe I'll try bleeding out the clutch line, the clutch pedal too. So see how that works. And since the easiest way to accomplish a lot of this stuff is by taking off the rear bumper of the car, I might as well get the exhaust modded while I'm at it, because I've been wanting to put the I guess it's the Gundo hack or whatever hack it is. I wanted to put the piece in between the inlet and the outlet. It's like a 1.5 inch diameter. Seems to be the consensus about which one sounds the best. So I was thinking, might as well. The car's going to be down. And I got the whole rear off anyways because I'm going to do the spark plugs and the tubes. It's a lot easier than trying to trying to get behind the muffler. So I just figured I'd just pull that whole thing apart and do that. Who knows? Maybe I'll even do some headers while I'm out there. It's something crazy like that. But we'll see about that one. But definitely going to get the exhaust modded because I think that's going to be something cool, and it's not going to cost me a lot of money either. So I'll probably end up doing that. I was also looking over my records, and the last time the water pump was changed was like 2013 or 2014, maybe about 30,000 miles ago. Well, it's going to be coming up onto 10 years old. So I might as well change that too. So it looks like I'm going to be changing out the water pump. I mean, I got to take most of the coolant out. Well, the coolant's already done and it's out on the ground behind me. But I'm still going to have to drain whatever's left inside there. So I might as well just change that. At the same time, I'll inspect the pulleys to make sure I don't have any pulleys that are going bad or making some noise or anything like that. So I'll look at the pulleys. I mean, the belt is in good shape. So they're easy to change. So I'm probably just going to leave the belt on there. It doesn't have any wear. There's no cracks or no nothing on there. And another thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do the tensioners, because on startup I got a little bit of rattle on this thing, so I'll probably do the tensioners. I'll change all 3 of them. I know the 2 on the bottom are relatively easy to get to. You just got to pop up the caps and you got to get the tool to hold everything in place just in case, it's like taking out like an IMS bearing or something like that. You just want to make sure everything is good. But it's that one that's on top underneath the air compressor, AC compressor, that's a little bit difficult. So since I'll probably be taking off the belts, do the water pump, I'll just do that whole thing at the same time. Change all the tensioners, get rid of that little rattle I got up on startup, and hopefully this thing should be pretty good. I don't know. I can't think of anything else right now, but if there's anything else that you guys can think of that I probably should change while I'm doing this whole thing, just let me know. Put it in the comments. Do something. Yeah, I can't think of anything else right now. So just before I put this video up, I was thinking, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot that I should get the injectors cleaned while they have them out of the car. So I'm going to do the injectors. I'll get those sent off. I'll get those cleaned. And also, I forgot that I had rear bushings for the rear and lower control arms. I got the set of urethanes for the inner and the outer that I just didn't put in yet. So I figured I should do those too while I'm doing this whole refresh and just get everything I have put aside for this car that I've been holding on to for a while and get it all done. So that's what's going to happen to this car. And yep, and now I can get back to the rest of the video. So thanks for watching Kevin's European Garage. Hope you subscribe to my channel, like my video over here, and I shall see you guys again soon with a lot more parts that I got here, and we'll start working on this thing and turn this thing into my summer project.